45-degree angle with wheels down, just in case. Some witnesses and former C-130 pilots believe this pilot's approach was just too steep and the pullout just too late. Mark Left, CNN, reporting.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stay in your bleachers. Ladies and gentlemen, please return to your bleachers.
The plane skidded 1,000 yards past spectators in the bleachers and disintegrated.
A California wildfire becomes a killer. A passerby shot amateur video showing the wings fall off a C-130 tanker plane just before it plunges to the ground. All 3 people on board were
This is the first fully automated plane, flown by a computer.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Causes of airline crashes. November 1996. A startled tourist captures the scene as a hijacked Ethiopian jet with 175 people on board crashes into the water off the Comoros Islands in the Indian Ocean. Only 50 survived the hijackers' forced suicide pact. During the 4-hour ordeal, the plane lost an engine and its communications. One of the hijackers, bolstered by a bottle of whiskey, decided to fly the plane himself. As the crippled jet ran out of fuel, the pilot, who had been hijacked twice before, and the co-pilot, who had been bludgeoned with an axe, wrestled back control to lift the sinking airliner over a hotel and into the shallow water.
Loaded 747s race toward disaster.
Get off!
In 1977, the worst accident in aviation history killed nearly 600 people.
it was